Is that your baby sister?
Yeah.
Ava, look at Grandma.
Ask Grandma who this is.
Ava, look at Grandma. Who is that? Is that baby sister?
Baby sister.
What's her name?
Oh,
dang it.
Dylan. Dylan.
It's Dylan?
Yeah.
She's cute, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me again. What's her name?
Dylan.
Dylan. Oh.
White.
She's gonna open her eyes.
You want to give her a little kissy?
Open eyes, yes?
Yeah.
Wow.
Isn't she cute?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think you were crying.
Hi,
Hey, don't cry, Dylan. It's okay.
no, not crying, Dylan. There.
Yeah, there. That's
There,
good. Yeah.
there.
Do you want to hold her?
Yeah.
Okay. Turn around and put your bum right here.